World Rivers, Part 14. The Indus River of Asia, the subcontinent, Pakistan. It is one of the greatest of all the rivers that has housed a civilization, and should we call it the ancient most civilization in the world, the Indus Valley civilization. The river has its source in north. We can call it Tibet, although Tibet is no more an autonomous country, a sovereign country. It has been invaded by China, so it has its source in Tibet and then moves on into the region of Chinese area and then enters the parts of India. So the part of Tibet, the part of China, and the part of India constitutes to less than 15% of the total river. Less than 15% of the total river area is in these three countries or areas. Talk about Tibet, talk about China, and talk about India. And then it enters Pakistan. There are many glaciers which uh, provide the drainage into the river. The glaciers do melt and feed the river. And then there are many tributaries, many small and large rivers on its both banks. I can talk about some of the main rivers. If we talk about the eastern tributaries, they are the river Chenab is the largest eastern tributary. River Jhelum is another large tributary. And then, of course, many of the other mountain rivers fall into River Neelam, and River Neelam fall into River Jhelum, and River Jhelum falls into River Indus. So when I say River Jhelum, in fact, there are so many other rivers which contribute to Jhelum, and Jhelum contributes to uh, Indus. In fact, Jhelum does not fall into River Indus. Jhelum falls into River Chenab, and River Chenab falls into River Indus. The other tributaries are the Satluj River, the Ravi River, the Beas River, the Ghagra River, and many more. These are the tributaries, the large tributary of the Indus River on its eastern bank. And then there are so many smaller rivers on its western bank. If I can name few, River Savat is a tributary on the western bank. River Kabul is another tributary of the western bank. River Kabul is a tributary of Indus River. And then there are few rivers coming from Baluchistan as well, which are the tributaries of the Indus River. And Indus River has a length of more than 3,500 kilometers. So it is quite a large area. Though when we compare it with the largest river, River Nile in Africa, or the second largest river, River Amazon in South America, it has the shortest length as compared to River Niles, which goes far beyond 6,000 kilometers, and the River Amazon, which again goes far beyond river, which goes far beyond 6,000 kilometer. Uh, Indus can be compared with the largest rivers in terms of its width. Indus River is not among the, well, I have just read a list and I have found there that if we talk about the length of a river, River Indus, I talk a lot in favor of River Indus. It is the river of my country, it is the river of my homeland, it is the river where I live. Uh, the river that flows along my city is River Chenab, and River Chenab is the tributary of River Indus. We take so much of the pride in our river, rather in our rivers, and we do talk in praise of it.